Hello my friends, Liberty Garden, October 15th, and today I'll be trying this Pittsburgh brand air compressor. I got it at Harbor Freight, and it goes on your battery and it inflates your tires. It says it's good up to 150 PSI, and when you open this box you find this in there, which is pretty much a bag for the compressor. Let me see if I can get it out with one hand. There we go. So you have it here, and you have your two your ground and your red cable. It has a little instruction manual. You're supposed to connect this to the red post on the battery of the tractor, and this to a metal part on the tractor, just to ground it. And this is it, brand new. I'm gonna try it because my tractor, I'll be unloading some hay today. So this is a Mahindra 6500. It's a 60 horsepower tractor, and these tires are missing a little bit of air. So it's working. You probably can't hear my voice over the noise here of the tractor, but the little pump is working. I can plug it right there. So we'll see how long it takes. Looks good. Okay, I'm inflating tire number 2. The other one went up very fast. It's about 30 pounds right there. That's about all I'm gonna put into it. Yep. And I just come and turn it off here. And then I'm sipping here. There we go. That's it. Very easy. Very good little inflator. All I gotta come in here now is come into the battery post and take off the current. That's it. So this is the whole setup of the Pittsburgh air compressor. This is the one that goes all the way to 150 PSI. There's another one's a little cheaper that goes less, but given that I was going to be using it here at the tractor, I decided to get the one that's a little more stout, I guess. And some people have reported this little air piston here gets hot. Yeah, it's a little hot. Then again, I didn't use it much. This part here is a little bit hotter. So I can see it being used for an emergency very fast. It works great. As it is, I just put about maybe like 10 pounds of air in each tire in no time. And the hose is plenty long. You know, you can really stretch this to the front and back tires from the battery. And this these little things here, the cable, the battery cables, well, I mean, they can open up, and you got to ground this one. And that's it. I mean, it's pretty handy dandy. Let's see. I'm gonna go put out some hay now. Oh, and also part of the package came with these little valves here, like for balloon, for inflating balls, and it has an extra fuse, I guess, in case this thing gets too hot, or there's a fuse that gets blown here. There's a little fuse right there. You have a replacement fuse. And that's about it. That's pretty good little tool, I guess. I mean, time will tell, I suppose, when I use it more. Right now it's warm to the touch here. This is a little bit hotter. Nothing bad. Okay, folks, until next time.